we'll be going over creating the in-app message. This message will be titled Coffee Shop Example. Next, we'll determine where we want the in-app message to show. It can either show up at the top of your user's phone, the center, the bottom, or it can take up the full screen. For this specific example, we're going to have it show up in the center. Then we'll give our message a title. For this message, we'll be calling it the Daily Drip. Next, we'll do the message. The message will be, "This one's on us." Now, we'll have to upload an image. Because this in-app message is animated, we'll be uploading a blank PNG to widen the in-app message so we can fit the GIF. Moving on to the button, for this button, we'll be having it say, "Claim your free coffee." Then, we'll be changing the button color to red, and we'll also be making it a little bit smaller. You can have this button linked to wherever you want it to. Now, we'll add the GIF. To add the animated image, simply link the GIF here. After we've linked the GIF, now we can see that the font color doesn't actually show up that well. So we're going to be changing this to white. Now we can determine dismissal behavior. You can either have your in-app message show until it's dismissed, or have it dismissed after a certain amount of time on your user's screen. There are also advanced settings where you can have your in-app message dismissed by clicking on the image, the button, or the body of the message. For more information on how to set this up, please visit our SDK reference documentation page and look for In-App Message Click Handler, which has a step-by-step guide on how to set this up. For this specific example, we're going to have this in-app message shown until it's dismissed.